10 workers take 24 days to paint the house. How many more workers are needed to paint the house in just 8 days? Alright. Now, to do this, there are two methods, and I'm going to teach you both the methods. Okay? So, method 1, method 2. Now, method 1 is using logic. Method 2 will use proportions. Okay, so logic method first. What does this mean? Now, imagine you and your friends. Okay, you get a couple of your friends and you go and paint this house. Okay, all of you form one team. Okay, one team of 10 people. Okay, 10 people in total. And you work from day 1 all the way to day 24. Okay, this whole team works from day 1 to day 24. Day 1 to day 24. Now, for each of the team member, they will have to work for 24 days, right? This guy, he goes to work day 21 to day 24. This guy, same thing. Same, everyone same. So to paint the house, actually, right, how many days in total do you need to paint this particular house? One person needs to work 24 days. You need 10 of such people. So in total number of days needed. Okay, total number of days worked, total number of days needed. Okay, it will be 10 times 24, right? Because each of them, they are working for 24 days. This person 24, 25. When you add up all their work, it will be 10 times 24, will be 240 days in total to paint just one house. Okay, so if you want to finish it in 8 days, how many workers do you need? 240 divided by 8. You need 30 workers. Okay, so how many more workers do you need? 30. Originally you only have 10, so 30 minus 10 to give us an answer of 20 workers. Okay, so as you can see, when the number of days decrease from 24 to 8, wow, number of workers needed goes up from 10 to 30, which brings us to our second method. Now, second method is to understand this. When your number of workers goes up, the number of days needed will, of course, it will go down. Okay, so when one quantity goes up and the other quantity goes down, or if you decrease the workers, you need more days, right, to paint the same house. So when they are opposite to each other, these two things are in inverse proportion. So inverse proportion, you can write like this. Second method, W equals to K over D, which means that 10 equals to K over 24. K is 24 times 10. 240. So W equals to 240 over D. Now, in the second scenario, you want the D to be 8. Okay, so you want D to be 8. So W equals to 240 over 8, which is 30. Okay, so you need 30 workers. So how many more workers do you need? 30 minus the original 10. You will still get the answer of 20 more workers. Alright, so both methods are acceptable for this style of question, but it's good to know both.